So you might have noticed that your Galaxy S22 Ultra charges suspiciously slow, even though this device is capable of fast charging. And that's because fast charging is not enabled by default. You kind of have to get into the settings and enable it. So what you need to do is go to settings. Under settings, go to battery and device care, tap on that, and then go to battery, tap on that again, and then on the battery page you want to scroll down to more battery settings, tap on that, and then here you should find fast charging, and by default it's been turned off. And this is mainly to protect your battery, because the more you fast charge your battery, the shorter the lifespan of your battery will be. But if you need fast charging, turn it on, and now you can charge your phone and you'll notice it charges considerably faster. And that's basically how to enable fast charging on your Galaxy S22. Thanks for watching and good luck.